Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and a stable Wi-Fi connection because DNS changes need an active network. Next, open Settings and go directly to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi or private DNS depending on your Android build. You need the DNS IPs handy, write them down, for example 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. Once done, tap the current network or private DNS option to reach the fields where you can input a custom DNS. This skips basic setup and moves you straight into action. You now enter the detailed changes. If your Spark 6 Go supports private DNS, choose private DNS provider hostname and type a resolver like 1.1.1.1. Cloudflare DNS. COM, this enforces DNS over TLS. If using Wi-Fi settings, long press the network, choose Modify Network, expand Advanced Options, then set IP settings to static if needed, and replace DNS1/DNS2 addresses with your chosen IPs. Make sure to save, then disconnect and reconnect so the phone applies the new DNS entries and refreshes cached records. Finish by verifying the change. Visit a site that previously failed or use a DNS check app to confirm resolution. If pages still don't load, clear the browser cache, forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect, and reboot the device to flush DNS caches. If problems continue, switch private DNS back to automatic or enter an alternate resolver such as 9, 9, 9, 9 to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip. If DNS over TLS hostname fails, try plain IP entries in Wi-Fi advanced settings to determine whether TLS is the blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.